Hey guys, what's happening? Rich here at Penhold IGA. I want to tell you a little bit about a new cool up and coming program that we have put together at store level that's a little bit more interactive way to create dinner without additional cost, without additional time, and without additional mess. So the nice thing is we are doing these flatbread kits. They have predetermined weights, predetermined product selections, and you can choose which kit that you would like. If you want pepperoni pizza, your spouse wants deluxe pizza, maybe one of your kids wants Hawaiian pizza, and their friend wants mushroom and pepperoni. These brand new customizable kits are available now, pre-booked, custom ordered for you. And what we do is we predetermine the weight on the sauce, the ingredients, and the cheese, which allows you for a quick, easy meal ready in less than 10 minutes with limited preparation, limited cleanup, and limited mess. And the most important thing is everybody gets to eat what they want. So without further ado, guys, sit back, enjoy. In less than 10 minutes, we're gonna have our own Hawaiian pizzas tonight. If you'd like to take advantage of this opportunity, fire us a Facebook message and we'll get the kits ready for you on a specific date. As well, you can talk to our deli team. Enjoy your pizza, guys.
Cheese!
Grab the flatbread. Can you open that up? Nice.
Me.
Show me. Oh, yum.
And a lot.
Master pizza maker.
Me, you like my pizza, Daddy?
I love it.
We gotta do that first. We gotta bake it first.
All right.
I like pizza.
Close it.
Alexa, set timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
There it is.